You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, the name of a bird correctly. If you want to learn more names, including from French, yes, it's from French, and animal names, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations in English. Coucal, coucal. Also, alternate pronunciation in English. Coucal. The French pronunciation would be more as coucal, hence why one of the pronunciations in English is as coucal or coucou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.